missing from this. It looks like it's almost touching the edge. I mean, it's really close.
Okay.
My heart's beating in my head.